Evening all, just a little midweek special with some footage I found when I was kind of cleaning up and digging out. Yes, it's Renault Wednesday. Stay tuned. Many moons ago, David and I took his Renault 5 Turbo 2 and his Integrale actually up over the mountains that we've done a couple of times in the Lancia Stratos, and I was just tidying up video files honestly, and I came across these which have never been seen before, apart from me. Not all of it's great, but you know, it's a Renault 5 Turbo 2, so stay tuned, enjoy.
The audio will probably be terrible, but again, it doesn't matter. That was basically the bit, so.
Simon's making a mistake being so close. Okay.
Well, that's it, short and sweet. If you thought the video was any good, give it a thumbs up, subscribe down here somewhere, and check out the video where we did the comparison to some degree of the Stratos and the Renault 5 Turbo 2, because of course they were similar era in rally history. So check that out, and of course encourage others to watch my lunacy.